Nice out. Thank you. Asa may shout out atoy. Oh, shout out. A big shout out to Kenny Kad Kadum from Rizal. Shout out sa iyo kay Kabayan. I like you. Oh, I go sleep with you. Oh, what? Sleep here. Sleep. Sleep here. Hi to my 150 viewers. Good evening. Your host is very tired. Headache. I, wala na ako nagpa-face. I don't have makeup. Only my lipstick. Idol ba ayaw do? Idol ba ayaw do? Okay. Hi, thank you. Inana ba like, thank you for buying sticker. Hi, Gladiator. Thank you. Thank you and thank you. Thank you so much. Ana ba Ken, mag-buy stickers ka? Pag na kay Gcash, makain na support me. Is there any motor working? Electric fan. May electric fan. Because it's too hot. Now, I sleep here at the living area. Because Makmak likes to. And also me because... Ay, wait. Thank you for my... Oh. Like... I will make you, moderator. Okay. Please join to my channel. What's it called his name? What's his name? It's Gladiator. Gladiator, hello. The dog is barking outside. Yes. Hi everyone, mabuhay. Thank you. Hello cat. Yeah, my offer still stand. I take care of you if willing to move to US, Texas. Sure, why not? If you like to. If you're a good person, I move. I don't know. No sound. Someone starting a chain. Chain? Thank you, Christian. That's for. I'm so. Good evening. Can you tell me only? I already told you last time that you can raise your hands like that. Move. That one. Can you stop by Virginia on the way? Sure. Joey, you come to Philippines. You said last time that you come on July in Philippines for a vacation. I stopped to Virginia and going to Texas. I don't have money to go somewhere else. Somewhere down the road. Somewhere down. Ano naman to si Kimi? Where you from, please? I'm from Philippines. Of Philippines. Brown eyes. Yun nga, ano na po ko ate. Do 360. I just passed Washington DC this morning. Oh, really? Joey. Joey, your addiction green donut. I really... Oh, really? You're from Philippines? Yes. Philippines. I am Filipina. I speak English, so going to visit your family. Okay. Your wife, Joey? You visit your wife and your kids. My favorite green dot. Yeah. Okay. I visit Philippines 2 times. Oh, you are close too. And then for watching from my mom and dad. I thought your wife and your kids you visit. I visit my Makati. Oh, Davao, Makati W. Cute fellow, thank you. I have other one. Sweet love, sweet my sweet donut, my sweet donut and my green donut.